Choosing the right psychic medium involves first understanding the terminology. Mediums are powerful and intuitive individuals who are specifically trained to communicate between the earthly plane and the spirit world, while psychic is a broader term encompassing various supernatural abilities. Mediums can be categorized into mental and physical types, with mental mediums using their minds to communicate and physical mediums channeling spirits through their bodies. When selecting a medium, consider what type of guidance you seek, whether connecting with deceased loved ones, understanding your present life, or predicting the future. It's essential to research their experience and client reviews to ensure you're working with a reputable practitioner. Additionally, think about the format of the reading, such as individual or group sessions, whether you prefer online or in-person interactions, and what specific questions you want to have answered. If you need additional help finding a suitable medium tailored to your needs, contact the experienced psychic advisors at Keen.